curly coilies. Today is Scalp Care Saturday, and to achieve the cleanliness of my scalp, I'll be using from Curlsmith their scalp care line, the Curlsmith Detox Microbiome Scalp System. I like how each step is listed on the bottle to make sure that you use these products in the correct order for maximum benefits. The condition of my scalp is my #1 focus before starting my wash day. I can't express the importance of scalp care enough because when you have a healthy scalp to start with, your hair is going to grow and flourish. Curlsmith is one of my top favorite brands. I love how they are dedicated to the overall healthy hair experience by offering quality ingredients. They're vegan, cruelty-free, free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, phthalates, and DEA. It's always a win-win with Curlsmith. Their products are made for all hair types, and overall their products just do what they claim to do. So I'm highly confident that these products will do what they claim. I just have to be consistent, which is a struggle. So what I have on my hair right now is the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, and I'm going to rinse this out before I get started with the new products. So with that being said, let's get into this 3-step system.
So again, this is the Detox Microbiome System. If you're one who suffers from an itchy, irritated scalp, dandruff, excessive oil, and product buildup and dead skin, then you would definitely benefit from these products. What's unique and special about this line is the microbiome system uses microbiotic ingredients to nourish the scalp and hair, which include prebiotic, probiotic, and postbiotic. But what does microbiome mean? The microbiome is our skin's natural shield. It protects from pollution, external agents, and environmental damage. It rebalances the scalp and creates the optimal environment for hair follicles with microbiotics. Step 1 is the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. Prebiotics are nutritive compounds that increase the number of good bacteria on the scalp and fortify the skin's microbiome. This Super Slip Primer is a good pre-poo or pre-wash. To start this step, it says to wet your hair thoroughly and apply to the scalp, gently massaging it in, making your way down the hair lengths. Finger to tangle until you get rid of all of the knots. And it's highly important you don't rinse out the primer because it protects your scalp while the shampoo clarifies it. I've never heard of a hair primer before, so I immediately associate primer with makeup for my face and eyes when I hear the word primer. This primer is an essential step to prep for clarifying, to stimulate and protect the scalp's moisture barrier. And the slip that it has helps to detangle the hair. I'm actually very pleased with the scent of this one in particular because one of its highlighted ingredients includes fermented rice water. And if you've been following my channel long enough, you know that the rice water DIYs that I did where I had to ferment the rice water left a very potent, rancid, stinky smell. Well, this product is far from that scent, but giving you the same benefits you would get with the rice water rinse. Some of the other key ingredients include guarana, which is rich in caffeine. It stimulates the hair follicles and encourages hair growth. Ginger encourages healthy growth by stimulating the hair follicles and improving scalp circulation. Dragon fruit calms and clears the scalp. And nettle, which restores the strength of the hair, reducing breakage and improving thickness. For step number 2, I'll be using the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. Probiotics are good bacteria, microorganisms that strengthen the skin's natural barrier and control the microbiome. This step is to be applied on top of the primer while your hair is still wet. It says to massage vigorously into the scalp to break down the product buildup, then rinse thoroughly. Unlike most scalp scrubs, this one has more of a graininess to it as opposed to beads that you can see and feel. They're very microscopic. This scrub is very gentle to the scalp because the texture of it is so fine, and there's no lingering residue that's difficult to rinse out. Some of its key ingredients include apple cider vinegar, which helps to clarify the hair, probiotics, ginger, dragon fruit, guarana, and nettle. My hair felt very clean and cool after rinsing this wash and scrub out, and my hair feels really nice and soft. On to step 3, which is the last step. I'll be using the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. Postbiotics are the beneficial extracts produced by good bacteria that are part of the scalp's protective barrier. While my hair is still wet, I'm going to thoroughly coat my hair evenly and let it soak in for 1 to 2 minutes to perform its soothing action on the scalp. And while I'm waiting, this will be the perfect time to get a little scalp massage in. This calming conditioner is intended to soothe, hydrate, and refresh the microbiome balance. I can definitely feel the cooling sensation with the calming conditioner due to some of its key ingredients like tea tree and peppermint essential oils. Other key ingredients include lavender, which is anti-inflammatory. It balances the scalp's natural oil production. Thyme, which improves blood circulation of the scalp. Hyaluronic acid, which is a moisturizing miracle that holds 6 liters of water in each of its grams. And biotinol, which helps reduce hair loss and makes the hair longer, fuller, and stronger. Now to rinse off. So it wouldn't feel right to end this video without using some styling products from Curlsmith for my final look. I have a couple stylists here. I don't know if I'll use all three, but I know I'll definitely be using two of these. I have the Shape Up Aqua Gel. It's weightless, it's anti-frizz, and gives silky definition. I also have the Feather Light Protein Cream. This is also great for weak, damaged curls. It has a medium hold, great for defining and strengthening your curls. And also the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. I'm not a big foam person, but this is one of my favorite foams from Curlsmith. This is a styling foam for curly and wavy hair. It has a light hold, it gives volume, and it's weightless. So I'm going to style my hair off camera, and then I'll come back with the final results and my final verdict of the Scalp Detox line.
So all in all, these products were amazing. I had no doubt they would be. My hair and my scalp both feel really good. And with all three products working together, it made my hair more manageable for the styling process. For my styling, I did end up using the Shape Up Aqua Gel and I used the foam. These were the only two products I used for the majority of my hair. But to get the ends defined a little bit more, especially in the front where my curl pattern is a little looser, I went in with Melba's Lemon Meringue Curl Friendly Wet Jelly. If you're looking for products to incorporate in your scalp care routine, I would highly recommend the products from Curlsmith, the Scalp Detox line. I think you guys would really enjoy it. So definitely check them out. I didn't really know how to style my hair, so I just ended up putting it in a wash and go. It's very fluffy. It feels good. It feels light. It feels very thick. My hair feels very, very thick and very full, but it feels good and it looks good. I'm very happy with the results. It's very hot and humid today, so I'm pretty sure this might end up in some type of a pineapple or a bun or something, but I'm pretty sure I'll have it pulled up before the day is over. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me use these products from Curlsmith. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I drop a new video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!